Hello and welcome to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today we're going to make a paper envelope. So you can pick any colour paper you like. We've got pink, red, yellow, purple, green, orange, any colour that you like. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to see if I show the artwork that you have sent in on today's episode. Today we have chosen pink and we're going to get a square piece of paper. And this square piece of paper is 15 centimeters long and 15 centimeters down. First, we're going to fold in half. So we're going to fold one corner to the other corner to make a triangle shape. Just smooth down that edge. Perfect. And we're going to do the same again from the corner to corner, just fold in half and smooth down that edge. Now we're going to take the corner from the side and fold into the middle and smooth down the edge. Do the same again on the other side. Fold that corner into the middle and smooth down the edge. And we'll do the same on the bottom. Fold that corner into the middle and then twist it round and then fold the bottom to the top, just like so. Just follow us. Now we're going to take the corner and fold to the line. And I'm going to fold that corner inwards here, smooth down that edge. Do the same again on the other side, just fold that corner to here. Do you see what we did there? Now we're going to open it up and fold the corner again to the line. And then fold in just here. And again on the other side, just fold in here. So we've made a little box shape at the bottom there. I'm going to fold that whole thing up to the middle. And just fold down our box here. If you need to pause and rewind and watch again to see what we did, you can do that as many times as you like. Practice makes perfect. So I'm going to open up the side. And then fold that bit there. Do the same again on the other side. Just fold that bit over there. And then we can tuck those corners into our little square that we made. Like so. Looking good, looking good. And then we can fold the top down, right down to the bottom, just here. Smooth down that edge. I'm going to fold up the corner just there, in line with our box. And we'll fold it back the other way, like so. And then we can just tuck that in right there. We've made our envelope. Let's just decorate it now. So we're going to draw ourselves a little heart, but you can draw anything you like. You can draw a star, you can draw a smiley face, you can draw a little sunshine, whatever you like. We've chosen a nice white shiny pen and a colour in our heart. And we've got a nice shiny gold pen that we're going to just outline our heart with, just to make it look extra pretty. And there you have it, your very own envelope. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Ella, and Ella has drawn us a very colourful fish under the sea. I love the bubbles and I love the waves and I love the little starfish. Well done, Ella. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!